ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ ದಶಕಂ 47 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 4 ಉಚ್ಚಲಧ್ವನಿತಮುಚ್ಚಕೈಃ ತದಾ ಸನ್ನಿಶಮ್ಯ ಜನನಿ ಸಮಾದೃತಾ ತ್ವದ್ಯಶೋ ವಿಸರವತ್ ದದರ್ಶ ಸಾ ಸದ್ಯ ಏವ ದದಿ ವಿಸ್ತೃತಂ ಕ್ಷಿತೌ. Word by word meaning. Tada, then. Sa janani, that mother. Uchchakaihi, uchalat, rising high. Dvanitam, sound. Sannishamya, hearing. Samadruta, coming, running. Tvadyasho visaravat. Tvadyashaha, thy fame. Visaraha, spreading, like the spreading of thy fame. Sadhyaha eva, just then. Kshitau, on the floor. Vistrutam, spread. Dadi, the curd. Dadarsha, saw. Full meaning. Then thy mother, hearing that sound which rose high, came running and saw the curd just then spreading on the floor, like the spreading of thy fame. Om Tat Sat.